we are rolling, and yes, we are back with part 2 of our Flickr video. I don't think we need to explain a lot. So yeah, also it was Pappy, I think, right? Yeah, it was Pappy. So we got him last time. Anyway, you guys ready to play? Let's play. If you guys heard that by any chance, that's my dad. He's pulling some
joking.
Yeah, he's joking, pulling some inside jokes. He's just really loud from the kitchen. Anyway, you guys do not need to know that. So you wanna go to the woods? We're probably not gonna finish this whole episode video round in 1 minute. So just no, oh my, guys. This video is very much uncut. In 10 minutes. Elsie, stop.
No.
I want one.
No.
Please.
There.
Thank you.
There you go, little one. Actually, I'll give you a piece of... Oh. I didn't see it.
Okay, well, this is it's a great roll. Okay.
I have a great roll too.
I'm gonna write my journal.
Sure. Can you have this? It's soft bubblegum. Oh, this is way better. I don't like this. As much as this one. So good. Ah!
Okay, well, my cringy journal. I didn't die last time. I survived the whole round, so
Same here.
people aren't gonna read it. Okay, now time to be sus. I just sent a random note to a random person. Okay, where did you guys go?
I was writing my journal. I'm now.
Oh, there you are.
I'm in the staircase. I told you I changed.
The staircase?
Mama, wait, where are you? Main room. Main room. Where's? Hey, I'm following. Your
I went down the staircase.
I
see
lost your name
Pettiquits.
tag.
I see Pettiquits. Hey, girly. It's a little creepy.
I just capitalized quits. I don't know.
Pettiquits.
I don't see your. Where are you? I don't see anything.
I'm by Emily, so.
Where are you? I can't see anything. Oh, that's why I was facing up to the wall. We're somewhere. Pretty sure in the hallway of the main room.
Ooh, I see a vent.
What? Can't see anything.
I can see a vent.
Everything's still black.
Where's this vent leading to, though?
Guys, I can't see any of you. Where are you guys? Oh, we're stuck in a jail cell. Oh, I can get you guys out. That's what I do when the test starts.
Oh, fun.
Okay, I'll go to the jail cell place.
No, wait, we're not stuck in jail cell. We're just down the stairs.
Oh, it looked like. Guys, we're just nice and chill here. This is where I spawned, you know. I show my man bun.
I love your man bun.
Don't you like my new drip? My new drip.
You guys look beautiful.
I like how I'm blonde. I like how I'm blonde in this game, even though I'm not.
Yeah.
Christian is fine. It's so fine. Can we vote him out?
Their name. Y'all look sketchy. We're voting them out.
Is this your water? I'm taking your water.
We know. I love that. I don't really know what to say to that, so I just said, oh. They're all like, yeah.
Okay, vote out. Wait, who was that?
It was, yeah, someone is so fine.
Dakota is safe. Please do not kill him. Please do not do anything to him. Dakota and you are safe, Addie.
Yeah. He had the most votes. Watch it be clown, though. That would not be good.
That would be really bad.
No!
I'm glad we voted him out.
Yeah.
So that's why he was saying it's so fine.
Oh my god. bad.
That's rude.
Hi, but I meant to say, I don't know, did you come out across a little aggressive?
No. It did.
Oh, man. Well,
Both your braces, all your braces are. No, it's right there.
that was my dad.
Ali!
What?
It's right there.
Oh, thanks. What are you doing?
I don't know. I was drinking from the water bottle. If one of us dies, we know one of us died. Do we
Oh my gosh!
that?
The server's so bad.
Especially from the username too.
Mm-hmm.
The name. Like, just don't kill or vote out Dakota, please. Dakota seems like one of the only sane.
Is he your twin?
Mm-hmm.
Ah!
Again? Yes, I'm twin again.
Oh, that's crazy.
Come on. I'm now a survivor. That's fun. No. Dakota died, and I'm pretty sure one of you killed him.
One of
I
us?
just said, yeah, don't kill Dakota.
Oh.
Hey, yo, why you saying that?
I'm sorry. I didn't kill him.
I didn't kill him. Oh, we're standing over a dead body, guys.
We are.
Why does that look like me?
But Elsie, if Dakota died, how did you not?
I don't know.
And how did you know Dakota died?
Because it said you're a survivor now.
Oh. What?
I don't know. It just said you're a survivor
Kinda
now.
weird.
If one of you guys vote me out, you'll see my journal, and then
Savior.
we just
Poor
swapped
person.
Savior. Great. Where's Dakota?
Dakota
I'm a
probably
survivor now.
left.
Okay,
He probably left. If he died, you would have died.
I guess. Because is Dakota in the game? Oh, there it is.
Oh.
I don't know, but
I don't know
you
either.
can see it right here. See, he's
Twin.
twin too. I have proof that I'm twin and he's my twin,
Weird.
and now I'm a survivor. I have no meaning.
Bro, same.
So I got exposed. So does someone else care to expose
Yes,
themselves?
I'm survivor.
I don't trust that. Same here.
You guys don't trust that I'm survival?
No.
Survivor.
See? You're sus.
I'm not sus.
I'm a survivor.
I'm
Can
a
I be a
survivor.
survivor?
Yeah.
No.
See?
Okay.
Yes, she's
okay.
survivor too. We're all
Okay.
survivors.
We're all technically survivors. So, why did write a note with nothing on it? Allie, why did you leave? Sus. Don't leave us.
Too bad.
Rude. Will kick you down the stairs out. I feel like it's gonna cut off soon. I'm here. Listen, Jack is just looking at us. Why are you right here? You're so sus.
I am. Who are we gonna put out?
The second one from the bottom.
Yeah, okay. I get you.
Hey, why didn't we just vote out the normal pussy? I don't know. That was sorry.
No! Don't eliminate Jack. I'm a spy. I will bug Addie tonight. Jace is dead. I will be bugging Grace. Wow, he's like very committed to his journal. Poor guy.
For that, I just pressed insert journal.
I just write. When I'm a survivor, I just write like the song, like, you know, like I'm a survivor.
I'm not gonna give.
Yes, that's my journal.
I'm not gonna stop. I just read survivor. I am useless.
Okay, I think it's been 10 minutes, so I don't think we know who it is, and we're all survivors.
So we'll just write in the description who it was.
Yeah, basically.
If you even care.
I don't even know if it's been 10 minutes yet, so.
I don't know. We're just gonna wing with it. Hey,
Yep.
where'd you guys go?
I don't know.
Where's Daddy? He's usually down the stairwell.
Yeah.
I can't see.
Elsie!
That felt really good.
Guys, I think they're going insane.
Oh, it's on silent.
It's the bubble gum.